Hey guys, today we're going to be using AI and Python paired with Selenium, which is a Python package that allows you to interact with web pages to create a Kahoot bot to try and beat one of those Kahoot live streams and get first place. So here's the video. Okay guys, so to get this video started off, I just want to explain how the code works. Then I will show you the two good-ish rounds that I did. So first, we just import all of the packages that we require. This is the Google's GenAI, the Google's GenAI types, a file named secrets, which I cannot show because it has my API key, WebDriver from Selenium, a lot of Selenium stuff, then WebDriver Manager.chrome, then time, then we set up the AI client with the API key. Then we set up Selenium, and then we open up Kahoot.it, which is where you join the Kahoot game. Then we just sleep for a little bit to let the web page load. Then we define the setup function. We find the game ID area. We ask for the game ID. We clear the game ID area in case there was an error before. We send the keys of the game ID, and then we submit it. Then we wait for a little bit for the possible nicknames to load, nickname input fields to load. We find possible nickname input fields, and the reason that we do this for possibly finding it is in case the game ID was wrong. If it doesn't find any, it will return or exit this function, which will then end up just fundamentally restarting it based on how the rest of the code works. If the input field is greater, if the nickname input field's count is greater than 0, which means that there is 1, we find it, input the username, and then submit it. Then after that, this is just the whole loop. If there are any game ID input fields, meaning that this is at the start of the game, or after a round restarts, we just do the setup. Then we try and find any buttons. If there are any buttons, we run all of the code that selects a button. So we sleep for 3/4 of a second to allow any images to load. We take a screenshot of the page, convert it to bytes, and then send it to the AI with this prompt. Say T for true, F for false, R for read, under red, fat fingered it, and then just the rest of it, and then just etc. etc. Do not include anything else in the answer. The answer can only be one letter. We had to scream this because it tried to respond with multiple colors. Any other amount of letters result in cancellation, so we're basically just giving it death threats. Then we don't actually disable thinking, we give it dynamic thinking, meaning that it will hopefully respond as fast as possible. We print the response, then it finds the right button. So if it's R, it will pick the red button. If it's B, it'll pick the blue button, and then the same for everything else, including true and false. Then if anything else happens, you use the backup plan, which just clicks the red or true button, and then we click it, and then we wait for it to load up the next area before doing it. Otherwise, it'll try and select it again and again, but actually it won't, but it's just in there just in case. So yeah, that's how all the code works. This only took me like 2 days or whatever it was, not that long, only a couple hours. And I will leave a link to a GitHub where you can download this code down below, along with instructions on how to properly set it up. Anyway, guys, enjoy the rounds that I did with this. It was actually pretty fun to mess around with. Alright, guys, this is going to be, hopefully, the first full test. And we're going to... What is up with these nicknames? Oh my goodness. Okay, so anyways, hopefully, we will be able to get to the top of the leaderboard, and if we can, then I'll call this project a success. Double points. Alright, so what is the car's name? That is some sort of a Lamborghini. I actually don't know. Okay, the AI hopefully does. Alright, just gonna wait. Let's go! Got it. We're 9th place now, meaning that I'm assuming that somewhere around 9 people got it correct. No, 14 people got it correct. Okay, true or false? What is this SUV? That is a SUV? I don't actually know. I think that's actually going to be the first time that the true or false has been tested, and that is wrong. I think we might have to work on the prompting a little bit. Maybe just extract that one image. What is the brand and name of this car? That's not gonna work. That is a Kia Sorento. I have no idea. This was not designed to go for multiple choice, which sucks. Since the main Kahoot livestream that I wanted to use went down. We did it. I hope that time, meaning that I'm not completely useless. Is this Lamborghini? That is, in fact, a Lamborghini. I am going to be really surprised if the AI messes that up. I'm going to lose it if this is wrong. Let's go. Oh, we're in 4th place. That means we're on the leaderboard. Because we only got 1 incorrect out of 4. So we are on the leaderboard now. When is this made in? I literally have no idea. I should probably move the mouse cursor out of the way, though. I'm not thinking about it. It shouldn't even be screenshotting the mouse, so. Alright. And we lost. Now we're in 10th place behind Winged Deer 59. The user named Winged Deer 59 is ahead of us. Double points. Where is this car made in? These are so terribly worded. That is very easy, and I want to be mad if the AI gets that wrong. Everybody knows that Lamborghinis are made in Italy. Let's go. We're back in 4th place. Winged Deer. We're still behind the Winged Deer. We just gotta keep this answer streak up. True or false? Is this Bugatti? Oh my goodness, this wording. This was made by... Actually, I'm not going to finish that since I don't want to be racist. This is just badly translated. But we got it right, so we have an answer streak of 2, and we're in the top 3 now. Come on, we gotta get top. I don't want to keep working on this. I'm bored. Is this a sports car? I think that depends on who you ask. Gone in a flash. Come on, we gotta keep that answer streak up. We can do this. 8 out of 11. Can we beat everybody? We did it! We got an answer streak of 3. Was it a sports car, though? I actually don't know. It was not a sports car. We got that right. I didn't think so, but... What is this log's name? That's called a logo. I don't know if you've ever heard of that. It's called a logo. Alright, we have 2 questions after this. If we can get them both right, we might actually win. We got it. I think that's a Bentley. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the Bentley logo. It was the Bentley logo. Okay, where are we on the leaderboard? We're at the top! Okay, guys, we just have to get these last 2 answers right, and I think we should be fine. We're on the top. Let's go. The ghost in the background looks so, like, sarcastic. Oh, we got it right! Come on! Come on, we gotta get one more! We gotta get one more. We actually might be so ahead, we might actually not have to worry about it. I don't really know. I mean, it would be best to get it correct. Okay, double points. Double points. Alright, we still up top. Oh my goodness. We are over 1,000 points away from anybody. Is there sports car in Italy? Yeah. It's called the Lamborghini. We already talked about this earlier. We did it! We won! Guys, we won. No way. No way we did this. Let's go! Let's go! We did it! Yeah! Okay. I had a really fun time doing that. I think I learned a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy the video, leave a dislike and leave a comment down below of any games you think that I should bot next. Alright, bye.